Hey guys, it's Blake Holbrooks with MarineMax on Lake Wylie. Today we're out on the water checking out this awesome 2026 Yamaha 222 fish. You can see we got it in that deep yacht blue color. You guys climb aboard and let's check this thing out. All right, welcome aboard guys. So starting way up here in the bow, you can see that this boat is fully fishing oriented. So you've got non-skid throughout the boat, even up underneath your cushions there. So you've got these easy removable with the snaps, and then you can make this whole area a casting platform with some nice sea deck along the edge up here and making a stepping system back into or onto the walls of the boat itself. Got dual action cup holders / rod holders in the front, so whether you're using this as an entertaining boat or a fishing boat, it'll cater to both, and then a very large storage compartment underneath my feet here. Focusing on the storage on the fish a little bit, you do have dual hideaway trash cans in these cabinets here. So you've got this one, and then on the other side you've got another trash can. So lots of storage in there. And then the biggest storage compartment on the boat is going to be underneath your lounger at the console. So you have a zipper to make it a changing room, and then when you lift this up, you can see all that storage you have down there where we've managed to squeeze the cover. Right. As I make my way around the T-top, you can see you got more rod storage along the side here, as well as 3 dedicated spots over here. If you guys come around the windshield, you'll be able to check out your helm setup. You got that Ritchie compass, the Yamaha Connext screen, and an Aqua Amp wireless cell phone charger. Several switches to control any accessories you want to add, your courtesy lights or your live well back here. It is a recirculating live well, and the boat does have a freshwater pump, so you can use the spray down nozzle that it comes with as well. If you're taking this out on the water for a day that, maybe it's going to be more cruising oriented versus fishing, you do have the ability to flip this up, have some more seats. You got another one on the port side as well, but makes this boat super comfortable even if it's not a fishing day, including this reversible leaning post. So now you have a massive entertaining space on your swim platform back there. If you guys have any questions about this boat or anything else we offer here at MarineMax Lake Wylie, you can give us a call at 803-831-2101. You can ask for me, Blake Holbrooks.